Hi, I'm Dr. Monica Egan, and I'm here to show you our sensory exam. And we're going to go through the testing, and I will be walking through with this. I just want you to see what we're going to be doing. It helps for you to get more familiar. So this is going to be a great amount of information for me in order to understand the amount of sensory loss that you have and help me determine with the results what type of treatment that you need. So you should have received an envelope, and inside the envelope has different tools. This is your home testing kit, and so we're going to be testing the right side of the body to the right foot and the left side of the body to the left foot. So we'll be doing a comparison, and there'll be different tools. So I do have somebody that I'm going to be demonstrating the test on. So what we'll do is on a scale of 1 to 10, we're going to be testing your inner arm. This is going to be your normal function. So what you're going to be doing is we're going to be using the tools here, and then we're going to compare it to your foot. Okay, so let's go ahead and we will start, and we will use, I will show you the tool. Also, one more thing is make sure that you've put the ice pack in the freezer, so therefore it's nice and cold. So if you haven't, then please do so. And then you'll have a warmer. Unless you want to use a hair dryer, you can use a hair dryer instead. It warms up. But to start this test, you need to take this out and shake it up to start activating the heat. So by the time you get to this test, you are ready for it. Okay, so all you do is take it out of the packet and shake it up. So the first thing we will do is we will use this instrument. And this we're going to use for two different tests. Number one, we're going to use for cold and to cool. And the second one is going to be for vibration. So we're going to do cool first. So now we're going to go to the normal part of the arm. Okay, so we're going to use the right arm. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place it here. And I'm going to hold it 1, 2, 3. And so now this is normal function. So that's a 10. So 1, 2, 3, that's a 10. And we're going to then check the foot, and so we're going to take that right foot, I'm going to place it on top, and I'm going to, again, 1, 2, 3. So now, was that the same as, so 10 being normal, was that the same, or was it less?
It was much less, about half as much.
Half as much, so half. And I will go ahead and I will do the scoring when we talk, and this is just how we'll run through. Okay, so then we're going to take the left arm, and we're going to go through 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to go ahead and then we'll test the left foot, placing it again 1, 2, 3. So if 10 is normal on the arm, then we'll find out is this less or anything. Okay, so I'm going to be making sure that we're walking through the numbers together. The second test we'll do will be this pinwheel. Okay, and so what you'll do is you're going to take it into the inner arm. So you're going to take it and just roll across. So that if that's a 10, we're going to take the right foot and we're going to just go across the top of the foot. Okay? So, and then we're going to do the same thing, and I will ask, is this normal? If this is 10, so up here, this is normal function, that's a 10. And then we're going to go ahead and take the lower foot and we're going to cross it over. And if that's a 10, and then compare that to the 10. So is that the same? Is it less? Or can you not feel it at all? Or can you feel it more than normal? And so all these things we will be rating together. Okay, so then we will do cold. So this is extra cold. Okay, in any order of these. So 1, 2, 3. And then we'll go ahead and place it on top of the foot. 1, 2, 3. We'll do the left side. And then 1, 2, 3. That's a 10. And then here, 1, 2, 3. And is that less? If it is less, then we will go ahead and rate that properly, and I will work with you with the rating. Okay, and then we can, this one's a little bit more complicated. We're going to go back to this instrument. This is also vibration, and so vibration is a very high sensory function, so if we don't, it's difficult. So what you can do is go ahead, you can hit the heel of your hand, and you should just feel it kind of vibrate. And just make sure you hold it down here below, because if you hold it up here, it's going to slow down the vibration more. Okay, so you're just going to hit the heel of your hand. You can hit your shoe, anything that's kind of a rubber It can also create the vibration. So it's just a nice light, and just make sure you get a good consistent hit. So you're just gonna hit your heel, and you're gonna place it on a bony part. So somewhere like a knuckle, and just know that where you're going, and you should just feel it lightly vibrating. Okay, so you can feel that vibration, and then you're gonna pick that bony part on that big knuckle, and you're gonna place it there. Okay, and you can try it a couple of times just to make sure that you're getting that placement, but you want to pick a bony place to be able to feel it, and just try a few different spots. Okay, but it is a fine motor, it is high sensory functioning. So okay, so you're just going to hit the heel in the hand, and you're going to place it on the left, and then you're going to hit it again, and you're going to place here. Okay, and then we'll compare those tests. Then you're going to take the toothpick, a nice small fine toothpick. Okay, this is for the pain response. So make sure that you give an even pressure poke. So press down the same on your hand as you will on your foot. So you can do this on the inner elbow in this like soft fleshy part. So just kind of press in. Okay, so we'll just press in, so press. And then we're gonna take it into the foot, and you can just kind of press into the soft fleshy part right here. And press down there, okay? And it is a pain response, so try not to too hard, but also hard enough to where you can feel it. So you're gonna go to the inner elbow, and you're gonna press one, good. And you're gonna go into the foot, and you're gonna press down one, okay? All right, and
we'll rate those, right?
And then you're gonna rate those, and I will work with you with the rating. Okay, so the hand warmer, this is gonna be hot, so make sure that it's warm and ready to go for when we're on our call. And you'll just place these again, you'll place it on the arm. I'm not actually opening mine because I'm not gonna be using it. And then we'll put it on the foot, and then you're gonna rate that. Or just know how we're gonna do that, and I will work with you on the rating. Okay, so the last one that we're gonna go through, this is the soft touch. So this is a little bit different. So we're not gonna do the same rating. We're gonna pick 5 points on the foot. So you're gonna take the foot, and you're gonna just kind of press it down till it bends. And you're gonna have, if you're doing it to yourself, you can't really close your eyes, but you just wanna have the person, if you do have a helper, you just press down. Can you feel that?
A little bit.
Can you feel that?
No.
Can you feel that?
No.
Can you feel that?
A little bit.
Can you feel that?
A little bit.
So you're gonna pick 5 points. The outside of the ankle, the inside of the ankle, the above the little toe, above the big toe, and in the middle of the foot. So we're gonna pick 5 points. And again, I'm gonna help you with the rating. I just want you to walk through the testing. You're gonna do that on the right foot, and we're gonna do that on the left foot. Okay? So I hope this helps for you to get ready for our neurological exam so we can run through all the sensory. I look forward to connecting with you and finding out your sensory score.